Hello everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art, here to make another video for you. Okay, first off, let's see. This is my painting from the last video. Turned out pretty nice. There's the cloud effect and the rose gold came out in the clouds. Turned out really nice. I really like it. Okay, and from one of my other videos that I did, just the sky, I told you I would show you when I got it done. There are the hot air balloons that I painted on. It's not varnished or resined or anything yet, but there that is. Got the hot air balloons on it. And I wanted to apologize also for my last video. I was out of frame a lot, so I'm sorry about that. I'll try and do better with that. So today I'm working on this canvas. It's a 12 by 16. And I'm going to make an American flag. So I'm just working with red, white, and blue today. And my red is Artist Loft Brilliant Red. My white is my regular, it's Glidden house paint white that I get at Walmart. And I mix it just like I do all my other paints, which is down in the description. And my blue is Artist Loft Aquamarine Blue. So let's get started. Hope for the best. I've done several and they've all sold. And I don't have one right now, so I thought I would get another one done. So we have to have 6. Hope that I have enough paint. This might take a while, so it might be a long video. Maybe I should have done something else instead of the flag, because it does take a while to make sure you get it just right. You have to wipe off your tool. If you're only using one tool, you do have to wipe it off after every swipe so that you do not contaminate each and every stripe. My white is a little bit runnier than the red. And it's okay if they kind of flow together. This is abstract art, so it won't matter if they run together or not. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just let it run over the sides. And if you don't get your sides, you can always go back and do them later. And if you get some in with the other paint, it's no big deal. You just want to make sure that there's no canvas showing in between your stripes. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, there's the bottom ones. Okay, now I'm going to take my aquamarine blue and fill in the blue area where you put the stars. Trying to get the sides of this. Try and get that a little bit straighter edge, at least. Now I'll go in afterwards and after it dries and put the stars in. Okay, now we're back to red. Let's see. Go. Get that a little bit closer to the blue. That's good. Got to remember that my white comes out pretty fast. I'm going to have to mix up some more red paint after this. Takes a steady hand, and sometimes I don't have such a steady hand. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. This last stripe's going to be a big one. I didn't plan that out very well. But I think it'll be all right. Oops, I don't want to drop that in my paint. There we go. Darn it. That little area covered right there. And I think I have some spots here that I need to go over. So that'll run down and I'll end up with my sides covered here. And I think that's about it, because I will put the stars on, like I said, afterwards. After I get the after it dries, I will put the stars on. So what do you think? Is it okay? Give you a close-up. How's that? I think that's okay for a flag. Please subscribe. Tell your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment if you so desire. And thank you for watching. And as always, please have a great day.